In this video, I'm just going to conclude with a light painting, just adding it to my face, kind of bringing in all the characteristics that I showed you how to paint together. If we were going in more detail, of course, I'd really get into the nitty-gritty part of it. Let's, of course, add in some darkness to where the hair would be. And of course, on the side, our ear would also be in shadow. That space underneath the neck would also be in shadow. Certain parts of the jaw would be darkened up, especially that space underneath the chin. And of course, let's add in a little shadow underneath the eyes. And I hope you enjoyed that, guys. We are done. This is essentially the basics of how you would approach painting a nose and lips and an ear when you're doing an entire portrait by yourself. Remember to add shadow just in those certain areas that kind of push the face back. And I'm going to kind of color in the pupils, and then remember to kind of pull out that highlight as well. And of course, I'm going to start adding in the shadow in the corners and then really defining in those jawbones, and then adding in a little bit of darkness to that area right where the ears are, and then just maybe certain parts around the hair as well. And there you have it, guys. This is the basic painting techniques for nose, lips, and ears. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please visit us again to see more tutorials like this here on Freepik.